Okay, so I want to show you guys exactly how to use the Healthy Passion sample meal plans to help you stay on track and know exactly what to eat to reach your goals. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you guys and show you what the meal plan PDF downloads look like, and then how to take those recipes and build out your shopping list so you're super organized and know exactly what you're eating every day so you can stay on track without a whole lot of effort. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you guys here. Okay, so I'll get this out of the way. I'm going to pull up the sample meal plan. So when you see the PDF each week, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have a theme. So I've got family-friendly ones. I've got cooking for one, cooking for two. I'm just going to kind of rotate through them. That way you guys get things that fit with what your needs are. So you'll scroll through and you'll see each day of the week in MyFitnessPal, everything's plugged in. And what's cool about this is I've made it kind of general. I do these sample meal plans for people and it fits their goals. So what you can do is just adapt it to fit yours. So if it's a little low on calories, you can always add something else as a snack. If it's too high on calories, you can always take something out. So when you calculate your own personal macros, you'll use those as what you actually want to meet your goals. But this is going to give you a good baseline to get 90% of the way there without a lot of effort. If you want to make your own meal plans, go for it. This is just to help you save time. So you'll scroll through and you'll see each day of the week. Now I actually like to print mine out. I'm a big pen and paper kind of girl, and then I just open it up each day so I know exactly what I'm eating. If you have MyFitnessPal on your phone, you can pull it up on there as well. So you'll get to the bottom here, and you want to be logged into your Healthy Passion account, and then you're just going to go ahead and click. And I've got to go over to a different window because I'm actually doing a meal plan for a client, so I've got my own account pulled up here. But you're just going to click that link, and basically it's going to open up the recipe list for the week. And then what you're going to do is hit add list to cookbook, and it's going to actually add that list to your cookbook. I've already done this, I believe. I'm going to go and do it again though, because it can't hurt. And then what you're going to do is you're going to see these are your cookbook lists. So essentially what you're doing with the Healthy Passion is you're creating your own custom cookbook. So instead of having recipes all over from Pinterest to cookbooks to torn out magazines, you have it all in one place. So you can always reference it as you need it. So I've got lists here for everything really, but each week I make a meal plan list that has everything I'm cooking that week organized. So here we go, meal plan 1013. So when I'm ready to shop, then what I want to do is I'm going to actually click the little shop icon. And then I'm going to choose a number of portions. So I'm cooking for a family here. I'm going to make 4 portions of this. Select pantry items that I need. And then I'm going to go through each recipe and do that. So it does take a couple of minutes just because you have to do each recipe individually. But the reason that we do this is because we want to make it so if you want to cook for 2, for 4, it makes it really easy. So I'm going to add pantry items. Again, scroll down. And each week has maybe 4 to 5 times cooking. So I try to do some leftovers. I try to do some throw ahead. I try to do some throw together type things. I try to do some dining out. So I try to make it really lifestyle friendly so you're not cooking, 7 meals a week. But again, these meals are all so simple that it's really not a big deal to come home and spend 20 minutes in the kitchen to keep you on track and have a delicious meal to feed your family. Okay, we've got 2 more, I believe. I'm gonna make this one for 4. No thanks. And the last one here, it's nice because it goes right back to the list, so it helps keep you focused and on track. Okay, so once that's done, then what I'll do is I will go to my shopping list, and I already had a few things on here, so if it's a little longer than what I've just added, that's why. But I'll go through and I'll scroll down to the bottom, and then what I like to do is either do this by looking at the digital version or again the printout version. And what I'll typically do is I'll go through here and highlight things that I need to add to my list. So that's why I like to print it. So on here I've got Greek yogurt, I'm out of that, I've got cucumbers. So then I'll just go down here and I'll go ahead and add items. So I'll add Greek yogurt. I need 3 of those this week. The little plus sign. Sorry, I just got distracted. Again, scroll back down. I'm going to add turkey. I need turkey for my sandwiches. Add that little plus sign. Okay, I'm good on hummus, bell peppers. I've got that. Oh, I need some cheese for my sandwiches. I'm going to put Gouda. And the cool thing about this digital shopping list is that it's accessible anywhere. So I'm making this meal plan on my computer right now, but I can log into my account on my phone. Your husband can log into your account on his phone. Your nanny or your babysitter can log into their account. So anyone can access this list at any time. So I don't know about you guys, but I have been, coming home from Orange Theory or coming home from somewhere and been like, oh, I can run to the grocery store really quick. And then lo and behold, I don't have my shopping list. So I love this because it allows me to have my shopping list with me wherever I am. So again, what I'm going to do is just kind of go through here and add everything that's not from a Healthy Passion that I need. I need some almond milk. Just do almond milk and creamer. Good on that. Got tuna already on there. Dijon mustard I have. Greek yogurt, I've got that on there. This makes it really easy to know exactly what I need. Oh, I need broccoli. The cool thing about this too is that the Healthy Passion recipes, when you add the ingredients from them, they're all organized by department. So again, you go to the grocery store and you're not going to produce, then the meat, then the deli, then back to produce. You're literally getting everything that you need. Another thing I like to do once I have everything on here is then I go through and look in my fridge, look in my pantry, and cross off the items that I already have on hand. So say I have garlic already, I'm good on maybe Granny Smith apples. And you can go through and you can actually remove the items before you even go to the store. So maybe I'm good on Celtic salt. I realize I already had it. Tomato sauce, I'm good. And then you'll just go ahead and clear the crossed off items. So again, it kind of makes your shopping list as condensed as possible so you only buy what you need. Another cool feature is if you do have a yearly subscription, you can print your shopping list. So again, pen and paper girl, you can print recipes with a yearly subscription. And if you don't want to go to the grocery store, you can click a button and it integrates with Instacart to actually send all your groceries to be delivered. So you'll just go ahead and check through that, make sure everything's correct, and then you just check out and you can get your groceries delivered in as little as an hour. So that's also a really cool feature. Now, when it's time to cook, you're going to go to your cookbook once you shop for everything. And again, you're going to scroll down and find that meal plan, which hopefully it's easier for you all than me. So this is kind of to help you guys if you've ever, again, pulled a recipe out of a magazine, bought all the ingredients, got home, misplaced the recipe, and been like, what the heck? How am I going to cook this? This is to help keep it super simple and organized. So you're just going to go ahead and click on the picture. You'll see the nutrition information, which is really cool. You'll see the recipe code. So this is what you're going to use to track in MyFitnessPal. I'll show you guys that in a second. You're going to see number of servings, cooking time, all the ingredients that you need, pantry items that you need. We work on a pantry system. So we have 16 items that you're going to use over and over again. That way you're not buying some crazy ingredient like pomegranate molasses when you don't really need it. You're going to look at your tools, and then here's the step-by-step directions. Again, if you want to print, you just click this little print icon, and then if you love this recipe, you can add it to your favorites by clicking the heart. So the last thing we're going to do is show you guys how to track in MyFitnessPal. So say you're not following along with my meal plan, but instead creating your own. Just go ahead and log in here. You'll just go ahead and look at this code here, HP616. And then you're just going to go to food. You're going to go to dinner or whatever meal you're eating it. You're going to type in HP616. You're going to select it, hit add to food diary, and there you have it. The entire meal is tracked versus having to go and plug every single ingredient into MyFitnessPal. So that's a super cool thing if you are building your own meal plans, which I'm hoping to teach you guys how to do long term. But again, if you just want something that's easy, these are a lifesaver, game changer, so simple. They're meal plans that I've created for my customers, my clients. So they're real life, and they're exactly what you need to help stay on track and reach your goals. So I hope this was helpful. I can't wait to see what you guys cook up first. And if you guys do create lists of your own, I'd love for you guys to share them. All you'll do is you'll literally click on your list itself. You'll scroll down to the very bottom. You'll find a code. And then you'll just copy that code and share it. And that way other people can steal your list, add them to their cookbooks. It's kind of like a fun little, here's what I'm cooking. It helps to inspire people and encourage one another to stay on track. So hope this video was helpful. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and happy cooking.